Welcome to Maine Public News Connect, original news stories from Maine Public Radio, airing weekly in Spanish, French, Portuguese, Somali, and English. I'm your host, Ari Snider. Today is Friday, August 9th, and here are the week's top stories. Businesses on Maine's working waterfront could get a 30% tax credit to protect properties from storm damage under a bill proposed by Maine Senator Angus King. The term working waterfront refers to businesses and infrastructure that support Maine's maritime economy, including the commercial fishing industry. Much of Maine's working waterfront was severely damaged during several extreme storms last winter, highlighting the vulnerability of key infrastructure. The state government recently granted $21 million to dozens of working waterfronts to rebuild from the storms. A study commissioned by the city of Bangor reveals that rent prices are accelerating faster than those in most other cities in the state. Bangor does not have the highest rents in Maine, but officials said they are too high for the levels of income in the area. Bangor's development office estimated the city needs more than 1,800 additional rental units for people who make below $35,000 a year. The city is currently offering an 11-acre site to developers to encourage the construction of more affordable housing. Conservation advocates are urging support for a federal plan to protect old-growth trees in national forests, including thousands of acres of woodland in Maine. The proposal from the U.S. Forest Service would slow the logging of old trees and protect mature forests. Opponents claim the plan will make it harder to manage forests and prevent devastating fires like those that have ravaged parts of the West in recent years. If approved, the rules would apply to about 46,000 acres of the White Mountain National Forest in western Maine. Maine Secretary of State Shanna Bellows this week announced the winner of a contest to design what may become Maine's next state flag. The winning pine tree flag design was submitted by Adam Lemire of Gardner. It features a white pine, the state tree, and a blue star against a tan background. The design features 16 branches on its tree, symbolizing Maine's 16 counties. Voters will decide in November whether to keep the current state flag or change it to the new pine tree design. This has been Maine Public News Connect. We'll see you next time. Thank you to our excellent community partners for supporting and contributing to this program. Maine Public News Connect has been made possible by individual supporters and foundations from across Maine, as well as cPort Credit Union, Hannaford Supermarkets, IDEXX, MaineHousing, Coastal Enterprises, CoverMe, the Sam L. Cohen Foundation, Koo and Patricia Yuen, Maine Health Access Foundation, and the Maine Department of Health and Human Services. Maine Public News Connect is made possible by Koo and Patricia Yuen, committed to bridging cultural differences in our communities.
cPort Credit Union, providing innovative banking solutions while actively supporting Maine's diverse communities. cPortCU.org.
Hannaford Supermarkets, celebrating the diversity of its employees, customers, and communities, and committed to fostering a welcoming environment. Together, they're greater than groceries. Learn more at hannaford.com. At MaineHousing, they know that an affordable home is key. The First Generation program gives Mainers the chance to be the first in their family to own a home. Home ownership is possible. Learn more at MaineHousing.org. If you've lost your health insurance or had a major life event, you can find a plan that fits and financial help to pay for it at coverme.gov. Things are changing with MaineCare. Stay connected to stay covered. Update your information today at mymaineconnection.gov.